So the sun is just starting to poke up. So I'm gonna bring it all the way to the aperture all the way to f22, because that's gonna give the nicest sun star. And then after I'm done with that shot, which I need to start taking some right now because the sun's starting to poke up. So after I get my sun star shots that I want, I'm gonna decrease the aperture back down to like f9 and get some shots of the canyon. That way I'm not getting diffraction with those shots. And then I'll just blend the two images in post. I'm also gonna use a self timer here.